Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple process of exporting your Telegram data as an HTML file using the Telegram desktop app on your PC. With the latest update, this feature has become more straightforward and easier to navigate, so let's get started step by step. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is open, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From there, head directly into the Settings option. Inside Settings, you will find several categories, but what we're interested in is called Advanced. So go ahead and click on Advanced. Now, scroll down until you see the feature labeled Export Telegram Data. This is the tool that lets you download a copy of your messages, media, and other personal data. Select it to continue. Next, you'll see a checklist of different types of data you can include. You can choose to export messages, photos, videos, or even files from private chats, groups, and channels. Go through the list and simply tick the boxes for whichever pieces of data are important to you. Once you've selected your data, scroll down the page until you see an option that says Human-readable HTML. This is the format that allows you to open and view your exported data easily in any web browser, making it simple to browse through your history. Select that option and then click on Export. The app will now begin preparing your data. Depending on the size of your chats and media, this process might take a little time, so be patient while the data is being gathered into a file. After the export is complete, you'll see a button that says Show My Data. Click on it, and your data will open right away in your browser in a clean and readable HTML format. This gives you an organized view of all your selected Telegram activity. And that's it. You've now successfully exported your Telegram data as HTML on your PC with the new update. It's a quick, secure, and useful way to keep a personal backup of your history.